Ready position. You don't know if you're backhand or forehand. Whatever shot comes to the net, lead your forehand volley. Are you ready? Don't smile like that. Look mean. Ready, here we go. Come on in. Yeah, don't stand and watch it right there. What a shot! Oh. One more! Oh, that was first one. Awesome. Are you ready? The championship look. I want the ball. Ready, here we go. Yeah, are you ready for the play of the coach? Here it is. He's coming in. Here he comes. Coach is in trouble. He was too early. He's swinging and missing. Do you want one more chance? You better not miss this. Well, don't hit Dad. Dennis over here. Here we go, Taylor. Ready position. Look hungry. There you go.